Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Right. In the provocative test, we also have one more provocative test, but this time the provocative test is for open angle glaucoma, primary open angle glaucoma. The provocation test for primary open angle glaucoma is water drinking test is the provocation test for primary open angle glaucoma. You will ask the patient to drink water, and when the water is drunk, after drinking water, if the intraocular pressure increases, then it is said to be primary open angle glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.